Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we will be having sushi inside airport. Most people will feel that sushi inside the airport won't be well made. However, you'll be so wrong if that's what you think. This shop that we are visiting uses high quality fish sashimi as base. Ingredients not only fresh and presentable, but it's also tasty. There's lots of sushi choice as well as bento box for those that are in a hurry to catch a plane. Look at all these plates, very colorful and bright, right? So let's check out our sushi video right now. Right, our first round of sushi is being served. The sushi chef had pressed the rice well for the fish meat to merge into a sushi. So let's start the taste test with this first one. Remember, to eat sushi, right, you have to sideway it and use the soy sauce to dip onto the fish for the taste to be bring out. I had saved the best sushi for the last. It's a fatty tuna sushi. After our meal, it's time to say goodbye to Japan and look forward to our next visit. Huge shout out to our followers and subscribe to Jay's Journey for more travel videos.